How to fix controller not working in Dragon Ball Sparkling Zero on PC. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will exactly show you on how you can fix this problem. Now, if we navigate through the official store page of Dragon Ball Sparkling Zero, we can then go ahead and see that it has full controller support. Now the question is, why doesn't it work for your PC? Now you simply want to make sure that you are using a supported controller. So maybe you are using an off-brand controller, meaning it doesn't have controller or software support. It will not go ahead and work at that point. But if you're using a Xbox controller like myself, you can then go ahead and start using the Xbox controller right away. If you navigate through the Steam right here, click on settings, and inside click on controller, you can then go ahead and see that I have multiple controller inputs right here. I have the 8-bit controller, which is supported by Steam, but if you're using something like PS4, maybe it will not go ahead and pair as much as quickly. So you can just go ahead and use some additional software like DS4. You can go ahead and download that software through the internet completely for free. Now, you can just go ahead and make sure that you are using a supported controller for Steam and the problem will be fixed. If this video has been helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.